Ruchi. As a grihastika, I have been working on my Vairagya sadhana for a long time. I've been associated with you and the system for a long time. But I wanted to know, while I learned a lot of techniques here in Personal Touch program, I wanted to know how I can uh, perform my duties, family duties, social duties, professional duties. But at the same time, while I'm using these tools and working on myself, for how long or for how far I'll be able to, and how can I balance this dual, what do you say, the dual behaviors or dual,
That's a very nice
running.
question. I understood. How do you practice vairagya or detachment sadhana in your day-to-day life? In all aspects, professional, personal, family, everything. So it's very easy for a person, uh, not very easy. It's easier for a person to say, I am now moving out in the Himalayas and go. Grihastha sadhana is much more challenging because you have children, you have work, you have what are so-called dharma of as a wife, as a husband, as a father, as a mother, like this, like this, like this. So there is no dual approach. It is application of spirituality or application of the understanding in different areas. For a sannyasi, he has just got he himself and the world. For a grihastha, he has this world, my spouse world, my children world, and for spouse and children, they need to also do the professional earning the money and all those things. So Shiva was totally Vairagya. He did not care of the world. But Parvati came and told him, Kalima came to him, Papa, you're only selfish, you're only living for yourself. What about others? I don't care. And that is actually finally at the ultimate in the thing. But you have come to the world to play a game. In the game there are people. In the game there is all these children and husband and wife and all these things. You're not bothered. So finally Shiva came back from Kailash to Kashi, shifting from Vairagya to Grihastha, and he met Parvati, and then the food aspect and all this came. Giving food for him, taking care of others. So he became more or less like Vishnu, who was totally detached. At the same time, when you are totally detached, then you play the role of attachment as a husband or a wife, play the role of attachment as a father or mother, and various things. So, application of this knowledge is most important. And application is what you have learned in personal touch. How do you apply it on a day-to-day? How much hurry? There is no hurry. Simply it's the process of experience. And the more you get detached, Vairagya, this is an inner thing. You don't have to display to anyone. You don't have to tell anyone. It's just the inner thing that when the person, let's say you are attached to your children or your spouse, one day will come, either you will not be there and they will be alone, or they will not be there and you will be alone. Either or. Who goes first, that's the only game, which you don't know, I don't know. But for you, if they go first, for whatever reason, you will not feel the pain. So this practice of all this is to not to feel that pain, in fact to experience freedom when they are there. When they are not there, experience freedom also. When the money is there, experience freedom. When money is not there, experience freedom. When people around you are there, experience freedom. When they are not there, experience freedom. But when they are there, you experience freedom. And money is there, and if you are detached, you experience freedom. That plus is what brings the excitement in life and enthusiasm in life and the joy of life. Otherwise, you're peaceful. So peacefulness, then after peacefulness comes joyfulness, blissfulness, godliness. So in Guruji's word, life is okay, life is beautiful, life is wonderful, life is magical, life is godly. So you want to experience those states, then the more detached you are, along with fulfilling your so-called duty dharma on the outside, inside you have let go. Loving yourself meditation is letting go of everything. These are all these practices, all these tools, technology which we are giving is helping you to go to that state of freedom. Very good. Very good.